All right, everybody, live from the L&T Finance Race 25, we're in conversation with Ms. Kavita Jagtiani. Let's hear her thoughts. Kavita, my question to you, where are you seeing the biggest breakthroughs happening in the AI space across sectors?
Well, I think the next big thing that's going to happen in AI is essentially the advanced multimodal systems. These advanced multimodal systems have the ability to interpret and process different types of data, visuals, graphics, sound, even sensor data on a single framework in a more cohesive way, to communicate the way humans do. And I think it surely enables, a far more contextually aware interaction, as well as it being far more intuitive than it was in the past. I also feel there are many use cases of AI. So, for example, in a conversation, the AI tool can actually decipher through the body language, through the gestures, or through the tone, the exact meaning of the conversation. And I also feel that there are many use cases, let's say, on use of multimodal in advanced content moderation or far more sophisticated virtual assistants. And especially in BFSI, I feel that the shift is really going to be not just automation and transactions, but moving towards a far more deeper advisory-led customer relationship. And it's great to see, all those conversations happening here at Race 25 this year.
Quite fantastic. I'm absolutely glad that you pointed out some of the wonderful use cases where the breakthroughs are happening and how exactly multimodal systems are playing a role in that. If speaking of roles, what role does L&T Finance play in unlocking the potential of AI in the financial ecosystem?
Well, I think, we've spearheaded a lot of deployment of AI in different areas, be it fraud detection, be it underwriting, customer service, etc. And as you saw in the presentations today, there is a lot of use cases that are seeing positive results in each of these areas, be it Project Helios, be it Project Cyclops, or be it our reimagined chatbot Kai. So I think that's really leading the path towards far more efficient deployment of AI and seeing the business impact on account of these deployments.
Thank you very much. That's quite fantastic. And yes, some of these projects that you've outlined, which are there in the demo zone for everybody to have a hands-on, is something that is quite exciting right here at Race 25. Thank you.